This line wheel assignment is really quick, really simple. It's just a diagnostic for your system. So get a plate or any large circular thing and trace it on your paper. Put a dot in the middle. It's kind of like the dot to dots. And then I want you to draw out from the middle. I'm doing this freehand on my computer, so it will mimic what you're doing. And I just want you to go out from the middle like this towards the edge, trying to draw as straight of a line as you can each time. About 30-degree angles are good, would be good. So we're just drawing a big pizza or a big pie. What you're trying to find out while you're doing this, like with the dot to dot exercise, is which directions do you have a fair amount of control in. Like so far I've had a fair amount of control and I'm able to get straight lines. You'll see as I wrap around here and I start heading down and to the left, I'm probably going to get a little bit shakier, especially as I move straight side to side here. Yeah, that's difficult for me. Up and to the left isn't as bad. So that's pretty much all you're doing on this assignment. You just do that. You're diagnosing which directions you're less comfortable drawing in. So for me, it's like right in this range is not comfortable. And then I might want to go back and just spend time figuring out how to get more comfortable in that range. Remember, the more directions that, oh, see, yeah, oh, that's bad. The more, and you don't want to do this because that's just repeating this, which I'm comfortable with. You got to have the moving out or else it doesn't count. The more directions that you have perfect control of your hand in, just the more command you're going to have of your drawings. That way you're not having to rotate your drawings while you're doing them. So that's all this assignment is.